basically, I'm going to be showing you all my slides. Well, most of my slides that didn't work out very much. So basically, this is the first one. This is the fluffy slide. If you could smell this is shake. So this is it really doesn't work now, so I'm trying to talk over my mother's phone. Anyway. Coming early this No.
No?
So yeah.
Mamá está durmiendo. ¿Es sleeping,